reset my nervous system, like as soon as we laid down and started breathing.
Every time I practice Feldenkrais, at first it's always like tense in my neck. We do one exercise and after that it's gone. I'm always impressed by that. It's crazy how quickly it goes away.
Like I was like turning my whole body like this. I felt more alive, and then I could feel alive and relaxed at the same time.
I'm not aware when we do the movements too much, but I noticed once I sat down that in my upper chest and my heart area, it feels so much more relaxed. I wasn't aware that it wasn't relaxed, but it's a really good feeling.
It's a real lesson in that less is more.
I have this annoying thing happen where I do something that doesn't hurt in the moment. Sometimes later it hurts, even though it makes absolutely no sense. So I was really just moving a tiny bit and leaning into the sound and the vibration that I could feel within me really seemed to knock some tension free. I'm feeling very differently, even though I hardly moved at all. But it's pretty amazing.
Beautiful. Yay, I love that.